Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment on topic dryness from class 9th. So today our first question is, name the tributaries of river Ganga. Our first question is, name the tributaries of river Ganga. So let us see the answer is. Actually, what is called tributary? Tributary means a small rivers which had their origin in different places and they join with a big river is called as tributary. So let us see here. Here I am going. For example, a river is flowing like this, and some other river join or had origin here and joined with a big river, and some other join with the big river, and again. So these like type of or that type of small rivers which had their origin in different places, then they join with a big river. These are called as tributaries. So what rivers they had joined with the river Ganga in such a way, or what are the tributaries of river Ganga? Let us see the answer is. River Yamuna, river Ghagar, Gandak, and river Kosi. River Kosi. So river Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. These are the tributaries of river Ganga. Let us see the second question is. Our second question is, where does river Yamuna tributary meet river Ganga? Second question is, where does river Yamuna tributary meet, or river Yamuna meet river Ganga? River Ganga. So answer is at Allahabad. Answer is at Allahabad. Means Allahabad, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. There, this river tributary, Yamuna tributary meet with the river Ganga. And let us see the third question is, which river rise from Nepal Himalayas? Which rivers rise in Nepal Himalayas? Nepal Himalayas. Answer. River Ghagra, river Gandak, and river Kosi. These rivers, they had their origin from Nepal Himalayas. Means, as we know that Himalayas are extended from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and in the center, these Himalayas will not extend within the India. They are all the three parallel ranges of Himalayas, they run through the Nepal. So in Nepal Himalayas, whatever rivers they had their origin, that is the question. Answer is river Ghagar has its origin in the Nepal Himalayas, and river Gandak as well as in river Kosi also had its origin in Nepal Himalayas. And let us see the fourth question is, dash, dash and dash rivers comes from peninsular uplands and join river Ganga. Dash. Fourth question is, dash dash and dash rivers rise from comes from the peninsular uplands, comes from the peninsular uplands and join river Ganga and join river Ganga. So answer is Chambal, Betwa and Son. The three rivers, river Chambal, river Betwa and river Son. Rivers, they had their origin in peninsular uplands and joined with river Ganga. Means generally these rivers, if you see Yamuna, Ganga, Gandak, Kosi, they had their origin in Himalayas and they flow towards the south. And these Chambal, Betwa, Son, these are maximum. Chambal had its origin in Madhya Pradesh, Betwa also had its origin in Madhya Pradesh, and Son in Chhattisgarh. So these rivers, they flow towards the north and join with the river Ganga. And let us see the fifth question is. Our fifth question is dash flows southwards through deltic plains to Bay of Bengal. Dash flows southwards through deltic plains to Bay of Bengal. Deltic plains to Bay of Bengal. Answer is Bhagirathi Hooghly. Answer is Bhagirathi Hooghly. So Bhagirathi Hooghly, it means dash flows southwards through deltic plains to Bay of Bengal. Means just we can see here entire Ganga can flow through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand as well as Bihar and West Bengal. So just it enter into the Bangladesh, it divide into one distributary as Hooghly. Then that Hooghly will flow towards the south, and finally they join with the Bay of Bengal. So the answer is Bhagirathi Hooghly. And next sixth question is how many kilometers river Ganga covers? Sixth question is how many kilometers river Ganga covers? Answer is 2500 kilometers. 2500 kilometers means from its origin, from river Ganga, total from its face to mouth, total how much length it is flowing means nearly 2500 kilometers of length river Ganga is flowing. Okay, let us see the seventh question is. Seventh question is which is the largest river basin in India? Which is the largest river basin in India? Let me write here. Which is the largest river basin Ganga river basin. Ganga river basin is the largest river basin in India. So which is the largest river basin in India means that is Ganga river basin. And come to the 8th question is, which is the largest tributary of river Ganga? Which is the largest tributary of river Ganga? Answer is river Ghaggar. River Ghaggar is the largest tributary. Ghaggar is the largest tributary of river Ganga. It means river Ghaggar had its origin in Nepal and Himalayas, and it flowed towards the south and finally joins with the river Ganga. Okay, then come to the 9th question is, Gangotri Glacier and Alkananda joined at. So 9th question is, Gangotri Glacier and Alkananda joins at dash. Joins at dash in Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand state this is. So answer is at Devaprayag. At Devaprayag. At the place of Devaprayag, this Gangotri glacier and Alkananda joins together, and then it formed as a river Ganga. Okay, and then let us see the last question, that is, which is the world's largest and fastest growing delta? 10th question is, which is the world's largest and fastest growing delta? Answer is Sundarbans. Sundarbans delta. Okay children, so Sundarban delta, which is a very largest and as well as very fastest growing delta in the world. Okay, growing delta in the world. So Sundarban delta, which extended even in West Bengal and as well as in Bangladesh. Okay, so this is the key for today's assignment. Thank you and have a nice day.